In this video, I'll show you how to use Vue.js to switch images when you click on a tab. Vue.js is great at fast screen updates, so this is a feature you'll definitely want to make use of. For example, if you click on 3LDK, the images will show up like this. Okay, let's get started. Here, we create a Vue instance with new Vue #app. Using #app, Vue manages the HTML element with id equals app. In data, we store information like images and their descriptions. Filtered images is defined as a computed property, and it gives you the images depending on which tab is selected. For example, selecting the 3LDK tab will display the images registered for 3LDK, such as living room photos of 3LDK apartments. If you select the one room category, it will display the images registered for one room, so you can freely switch between categories. In the HTML part, the array is looped through with v-for. Each item is stored in a variable called group, and the images are shown on the page. With v-for, the images are shown for each item in the selected category. That concludes the implementation of showing and hiding images using Vue.js. It's simple, but it's something you can apply in real projects. Give it a try.